The Kicks replaces the Juke as Nissan's subcompact SUV. Now, some would say compared to the Juke, this isn't as distinctive to look at, it's not as fun to drive, but I tell you, it's a lot bigger inside. Take the cargo area. It has 25.3 cubic feet of space behind the back seat. That would make it one of the biggest in the subcompact segment, and also definitely make it the biggest of the subcompacts I have put into my garage to see how much of my luggage will fit inside. But let's see if the numbers translate into luggage. As always, you'd have to check this. Okay. The same. Looking good. Okay, let's put this guy in here. You could carry this on. Looking really good here. Carry on. And yeah, final bag. Just right to the top of the seat. Look at all this space. We have room for the bonus bag, and for the first time ever, bonus bag 2. And the thing is, we're not even going to the roof. So yep, the Kicks definitely delivers on its numbers. And the thing is, you don't have to remove some second floor panel or go without a spare tire to get it. Nope, what you see is what you get. Now, if you want to see how it does compare with some of the other vehicles I've tested, you can check out how the Subaru Crosstrek did, as well as the Hyundai Kona, Mazda CX-3, the Kia Niro, and the BMW X2 right here on Autotrader.com.